Japan's sports car scene has just been brightened up with a splash of sunrise yellow, as Toyota and Subaru have unveiled limited production editions of their beloved coupes, the Toyota GR86 RZ Yellow Limited and the Subaru BRZ STI Sport Yellow Edition. These cars are more than just eye-catching. They're exclusive collector's items that enthusiasts will have to win a lottery just to buy. Starting with Toyota, the GR86 RZ Yellow Limited is essentially the Japanese market counterpart to the Yuzu Special Edition recently launched in the US. While the American version came with an optional body kit, Toyota Japan chose a cleaner approach, leaving out the aero add-ons. Instead, the GR86 focuses on meaningful mechanical upgrades. The coupe rides on 18-inch dark gray metallic alloy wheels, but its biggest highlights are the Brembo braking system with ventilated discs and bright red calipers, paired with Sachs performance dampers for sharper handling and more confidence in spirited driving. Visually, the sunrise yellow paint finish pays tribute to the 2015 Toyota 86 GT Yellow Limited, keeping the tradition of bold yellow sports cars alive within Toyota's heritage. Inside, the cabin reflects the same energy, featuring yellow perforated inserts in the upholstery along with matching stitching across the seats, steering wheel, gear selector, and door panels. The look is completed with subtle yellow limited badging on the doors, a reminder of just how special this model is. Subaru's offering, the BRZ STI Sport Yellow Edition, takes a slightly different route. While it shares the same sunrise yellow paintwork, it comes with black 18-inch alloy wheels, gold Brembo calipers, and blacked-out Subaru emblems that add an extra aggressive touch. The chassis setup remains consistent with the STI Sport trim, meaning it already benefits from Brembo brakes and a firmer, sport-oriented suspension. Inside, the BRZ matches Toyota's attention to detail with yellow stitching set against black ultra suede and leather trim, creating a premium yet sporty feel. The exclusivity is underlined with BRZ Yellow Edition badging across the interior. When it comes to performance, both coupes remain mechanically identical to their standard versions. Under the hood sits the naturally aspirated 2.4-liter boxer engine, producing 232 horsepower and 250 newton-meters of torque. Rear-wheel drive keeps the driving dynamics pure, with the choice of either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission. While enthusiasts may have hoped for a little extra power, these editions are more about rarity and style than outright performance gains. And rarity is where these two stand out the most. Both the Toyota GR86 RZ Yellow Limited and the Subaru BRZ STI Sport Yellow Edition will be limited to just 300 units each exclusively for the Japanese market. That means only 600 cars in total will ever exist. To add to the exclusivity, buyers cannot simply walk into a dealership and place an order. Instead, they must enter a lottery system where only the lucky winners will secure the chance to buy one. Pricing reflects their special status, but remains reasonable by sports car standards. The Toyota GR86 RZ Yellow Limited starts at 3,897,000 yen, which converts to roughly $26,500. The Subaru BRZ STI Sport Yellow Edition is slightly more expensive, starting at 4,180,000 yen, or about $28,400. For a limited production Japanese sports car with upgraded components and collectible appeal, these prices are more than fair. For enthusiasts outside Japan, these editions will likely become objects of desire, showing up at auctions and private collections in the future. With their bold yellow paintwork, limited numbers, and lottery-based sales, the Toyota GR86 and Subaru BRZ Yellow Editions are destined to become instant classics.